Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been bothering all of us at some point in our lives: stomach aches. Whether it's due to indigestion, bloating, or other minor discomforts, we've got your back. In this video, I'll be sharing some tried and true home remedies that have been passed down through generations. But remember, if your symptoms are severe or persistent, it's always best to consult a medical professional. So, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Peppermint Power. Our first remedy is a classic peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which can help relax the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, soothing any cramps or discomfort. You can make peppermint tea by steeping a handful of fresh peppermint leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. Sip this after meals or whenever you're feeling uneasy. Additionally, peppermint oil diluted with a carrier oil can be massaged onto your abdomen in a circular motion to alleviate pain. Remember, a little goes a long way, as peppermint oil is potent. Now, let's move on to the next remedy. Number 2. Ginger Elixir. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat digestive issues, and for good reason. It's rich in gingerol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. To make ginger tea, simply slice a small piece of ginger and steep it in hot water. You can add honey and lemon for extra flavor and benefits. Ginger helps reduce bloating, stimulates digestion, and can even ease nausea. It's a powerhouse of relief in a humble root. Number 3. Comforting Chamomile. Chamomile isn't just for bedtime, it's also great for soothing stomach aches. This herb relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract, helping to alleviate cramps and discomfort. To make chamomile tea, steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water for a few minutes. The anti-inflammatory properties of chamomile can ease irritation and promote healthy digestion. Plus, its gentle, floral taste is a treat for your senses as well. Number 4. Bananas, nature's balm. When your stomach's acting up, reach for a banana. They're not only a quick and easy snack, but also rich in potassium, which helps balance electrolytes and regulate fluids in your body. Bananas are easily digestible and can help coat your stomach lining, providing relief from irritation. Their natural sugars provide a gentle energy boost, which can be especially helpful if you're not feeling up to a full meal. Number 5. Fennel Magic. Fennel seeds might be tiny, but they're packed with benefits. Chewing on a few fennel seeds after a meal can aid digestion and reduce bloating. These seeds contain compounds that relax the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, preventing cramps and discomfort. You can also make fennel tea by steeping a teaspoon of crushed seeds in hot water. It's like a warm, comforting hug for your tummy. Number 6. Warmth of cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just for adding flavor to your dishes, it can also provide relief from stomach aches. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm your stomach and reduce irritation. You can make cinnamon tea by adding a cinnamon stick or a pinch of ground cinnamon to hot water. Adding a touch of honey can enhance the taste and add extra soothing benefits. This aromatic spice is a true friend to your digestive system. Number 7. BRAT Diet. When your stomach is upset, the BRAT Diet can come to the rescue. BRAT stands for bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast, all of which are gentle on your stomach and easy to digest. These foods provide essential nutrients without overloading your digestive system. They can help firm up loose stools and provide a simple yet effective way to give your tummy the break it needs. Number 8. Healing with heat. Heat therapy can work wonders for stomach aches. Applying a heating pad or a warm water bottle to your abdomen can help relax muscles, improve blood flow, and ease discomfort. The warmth soothes cramps and encourages relaxation. Just make sure the temperature is comfortable and not too hot. You can use this method in combination with other remedies for maximum relief. Number 9. Hydration is key. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're experiencing a stomachache. Drinking water helps flush out toxins and supports proper digestion. Opt for sips of water throughout the day, as gulping down large amounts might worsen discomfort. You can also infuse your water with slices of cucumber or a sprig of mint for added flavor and a soothing touch. Number 10. Rest and relaxation. Sometimes, all your body needs is rest and relaxation. When you're not feeling your best, take the opportunity to unwind. Lie down in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on deep, calming breaths. Stress and anxiety can exacerbate stomach discomfort, so practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing can help your body heal faster. Number 11. Probiotic Power. Probiotics are your gut's best friend. Yogurt, kefir, and other fermented foods are rich in beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut flora. These good bacteria can aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote overall gut health. Consuming probiotic-rich foods regularly can help prevent future stomach aches and maintain a balanced digestive system. Number 12. Licorice Soothe. Licorice root isn't just for candy, it's also a fantastic remedy for stomach aches. Licorice contains compounds that help soothe the stomach lining and reduce inflammation. You can make licorice tea by steeping a licorice root tea bag in hot water. It has a naturally sweet flavor and can provide relief from discomfort caused by indigestion. Number 13. Lemon Balm Calm. Lemon balm is a gentle herb that's often used to calm nerves, but it's also great for soothing stomach aches. It has antispasmodic properties that can help relax digestive muscles and alleviate cramps. You can make lemon balm tea by steeping fresh leaves in hot water. It's not only a remedy for your tummy, but also a delightful treat for your senses. Number 14. Aloe Vera Aid. Aloe vera isn't just for skincare, it can also provide relief from stomach discomfort. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that can help calm an irritated stomach lining. You can consume a small amount of aloe vera gel, make sure it's safe for consumption, or aloe vera juice. Just be cautious with the amount, as excessive consumption can lead to laxative effects. Number 15. Avoiding trigger foods. Prevention is key, and one way to prevent future stomach aches is to identify and avoid trigger foods. Spicy, greasy, and overly fatty foods, as well as carbonated beverages, can all contribute to stomach discomfort. Keeping a food diary can help you pinpoint which foods tend to trigger your discomfort, allowing you to make informed choices for a happier tummy. Number 16. Listen to your body. Ultimately, the best remedy for a stomachache is to listen to your body. Pay attention to what your body is telling you. If you're feeling full, eat slowly. If you're feeling stressed, practice relaxation techniques. And if you're experiencing discomfort, try one of the natural remedies we've discussed today. Remember, your body knows best, and taking care of it is a top priority. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to natural home remedies for stomachache relief. From peppermint to ginger and bananas to aloe vera, these remedies have stood the test of time and offer effective relief for those pesky stomachaches. Keep in mind that while these remedies can provide temporary relief, it's important to consult a healthcare professional if your symptoms are persistent or severe. We hope you found these remedies helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these tips. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Stay well, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.